Ek is W.J. van Staden, Agri Global, PC Hardeware en AG Hardeware. Ons besigheidsnaam is Jurizima, die hele groep. En ja, ons is in Botawil en Vleemskroon.
And how have you found the trade show today?
Baie lekker, baie interessant, baie goed om te sien. Dis lekker dag.
Do you find that the trade show is valuable? Does it bring value for your brand?
Ja, 100%. Dit is lekker om al die nuwe goed te sien. Ons kan 'n bietjie uitbrei, kan 'n bietjie groei. So dit's baie nice.
Would you recommend Essential to any other members who are maybe considering joining?
Ja, ek dink dit is 'n baie goeie ding om deel te wees van Essential. So ja, ek sal verseker.
Can you tell us how many years you've been with Essential?
Ons is nou 10 jaar deel, ja.
What did you think of this year's theme?
Baie oulik, baie mense trek die cowboys aan. Dis baie nice. Gou daarvan.
Baie dankie.
Dankie.